Good morning. This week we're going to look at the topic of fluid and electrolytes, why we need electrolytes and how your body maintains the values of electrolytes and also maintains the proper amount of fluid inside of your body and what can happen when these things get disrupted. So first of all, what is an electrolyte? We hear about them all the time when we see a Gatorade commercial or a Powerade commercial. But an electrolyte is a substance that conducts electricity when dissolved in water. They are essential to many of your body functions. So, for instance, your muscles and your muscles' ability to contract is going to be dependent on having electrolytes present in order to work properly. Fruits and vegetables are a great source of electrolytes, a natural source. Some common electrolytes include sodium, potassium, calcium, bicarbonate, magnesium, chloride, and phosphate. Some of the things that electrolytes do in your body outside of the muscle contractions are they help hydrate your body, they balance your body's pH, they also play a role in maintaining your body's blood pressure along with the fluid levels. They also help rebuild damaged tissues, so they're really, really important. Also, your neurons, the cells that make up your nervous system, are going to rely on the activity of electrolytes going in and out of the cell membrane in order to function or generate action potentials. Some symptoms of electrolyte imbalance can include twitching, weakness, and more seriously, if unchecked, it can cause seizures and heart rhythm disturbances. So your body's ability to maintain the proper levels of electrolytes is an important part of its homeostasis. The level of electrolytes in your body goes hand in hand with the amount of fluid that is circulating through your body. So the level of an electrolyte in the blood can, if it becomes too high or too low, this causes an imbalance, and these electrolyte levels can change in relation to water levels in the body. So your fluid balance and your electrolyte balance go hand in hand. Important electrolytes are lost in sweat during exercises. They can also be lost in your body fluids, such as through diarrhea or vomiting. It can cause you to lose a lot of electrolytes. That's why you give a child Pedialyte when they're vomiting or when they have diarrhea to help replace those, not only the fluid balance, but also the electrolyte balance. So basically, your electrolyte balance is going to be affected whenever your fluid balance is affected. On a typical day, the average adult is going to take in about 3 quarts, 2,500 milliliters of aqueous fluid. And although most of the intake is going to go through your digestive system, you do generate about 8 ounces metabolically in that last stage of cellular respiration. Additionally, the average adult is going to lose, ideally, the exact same amount of water. Very different routes. You're going to lose water through sweat. Most of your water will be lost via urine. The organ in charge of maintaining your fluid balance are your kidneys. They regulate all of the water levels in your body. They conserve water if you get dehydrated, and they can make urine more dilute if you need to expel excess water if you have too much water. You can see here, this is just a quick flow chart on how your body responds differently when there's insufficient levels of water in your body. So you can see all of the different things that are going to happen. Your blood volume is going to decrease. Your blood osmolality is going to increase as well. You can experience dry mouth, a drop in your blood pressure. All of these different things are going to take place in order to make sure that your fluid balance is going to be maintained, something that we'll talk about throughout this week.